Well, we may be ending April on a fairly chilly note, but we could be by the end of the first week of May be talking about, believe it or not, 90s in the I-95 corridor from DC to Boston. Thanks for clicking on to the Saturday edition of Hogan's US Outlook. Yeah, this late weekend we are going to be talking about snow over the northeastern half of the country. As you can see here, we could see a widespread inch or so, say above like maybe 1,500 feet across parts of central and north Pennsylvania, up into upstate New York. We could be talking about a half foot of snow, for example, in the Adirondack Mountains around Syracuse, or not Syracuse, Saranac Lake area and Lake Placid area of that region. We could be talking about a fairly significant late April, early May snowstorm. It's nothing unprecedented for this region of the country, but it doesn't happen every year. And like I say, we are going to have chilly air as well as the snowfall across this region of the country over the next few days here. Particularly on Sunday night, we could be talking about temperatures, I think, quite widely into the 2 seconds here. Let me skip back here for a second because I'm skipping too far ahead. I think we're going to be seeing mainly cloud in the sky tonight and into tomorrow morning, but I think Sunday night and into Monday we could be talking about clear skies with some snow on the ground. Temperatures could be, believe it or not, into the 20s across the interior portion of Pennsylvania and upstate New York, maybe even a few teens where you've got deeper snow cover in the mountain regions here, the Catskills and the Adirondack Mountains. And then as we go through next week, we reverse the upper air pattern. Chilly trough exits. We'll start to see a system coming in from the west. That will really pump the ridge of high pressure over the eastern half of the country. And by the time we get to next week, the end of next week, we could be talking about temperatures in and around 90 degrees, believe it or not, between DC and Boston here. So you can see them all indicating upper 80s, really from the DC all the way up into Boston. And sometimes the model can be underdone, so we could even be talking about temperatures, believe it or not, into the low 90s. So temperatures cool this weekend. By the time we end next week, we could be talking about midsummer conditions. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back in the next few days with more. Bye for now.